Take a few glow sticks and pull them out of the packaging. Bend the sticks so they start to glow. Attach them to the wheel spokes. At night, these inserts light up the wheel beautifully as you ride. Attach a power drill near the rear wheel so the chuck touches the tire. Tie a strong cord to the trigger and run it up to the handlebars. Pull the cord. The drill starts spinning the wheel like a simple motor. Remove the end cap from the bike's handlebar. Roll up a bill and hide it inside the grip. Now you've got a hidden stash for your cash. Pack the tools you need into a small bag. Roll the bag up as tightly as possible and slide it into the seat tube. Put the seat back on. Your emergency kit is always with you. If your bike doesn't have a kickstand, ride up to a curb. Rest the pedal on the edge of the curb and lean the bike against it slightly. That way it stands on its own without a kickstand and won't fall over. Flip the bike upside down and attach a zip tie to the fork near the rim. Spin the wheel and watch where the zip tie touches the rim. At that spot, tighten the spokes to get rid of the wobble. Take a regular belt and thread it through the bike frame. Secure the belt so it forms a long loop. Sling the loop over your shoulder. It makes carrying the bike upstairs much easier. Take a plastic capsule from a Kinder Surprise egg. Roll up a thin pair of gloves and tuck them inside the capsule. Attach the capsule under the seat. The gloves will be right there on the road. Place a pack of wet wipes under the seat. Now you can grab the wipes quickly after a repair or a muddy ride. Slip a disposable shoe cover right over the bike seat. That way the seat stays dry even in the rain. Slide plastic zip ties onto the tire at even intervals. This simple trick helps the wheel slip less in the snow. Before repairs, place wooden blocks under the handlebar grips. This makes it easier to adjust the brakes and shifters. Take 2 old toothbrushes and join them head to head. Wrap them together with zip ties or tape. Clamp the chain between them and spin the pedals. The grime comes off fast. Attach a flashlight to the handlebars with 2 zip ties. You've got simple lighting for night rides. Use zip ties to attach a few rubber bands to the handlebars. Slide your phone between the bands and make sure it's held snugly. Now you can use your smartphone as a navigator right on the handlebars. Slide a water bottle into the coil of a bike lock. That way the bottle stays on the frame without a separate holder. If you need to leave your bike for a little while, put on a small lock. That makes the bike harder to ride off with. Don't spray lubricant directly onto the fork. Pour a little lubricant into a syringe. Apply it precisely into the shock. It's cleaner and avoids any drips. If your tube keeps puncturing because of sticking out spokes, take off the wheel. Check the inside of the rim and tape over it all the way around with electrical tape. Now the tube won't rub against the spokes. Take some soft pipe insulation and cut it lengthwise. Slip the insulation over the dirty bike wheel. That way you can bring the bike inside without getting the floor dirty. Cut off the top part of a plastic bottle. Make some holes and attach the bottle to the handlebars with zip ties. Drop some chips inside. You've got a handy snack basket. Cut off the bottom of a plastic bottle and grab an old plastic card. Glue the card so its edge reaches the spokes. Attach the bottle to the frame near the wheel. As you ride, the card hits the spokes and makes a fun sound, like a motor running.